Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how you can add these sketches or doodles in Capcut apps. After you add the photos or videos, you are just going to select text, select draw. So here you can select pen, basic pen, or just textures. For example, I'm going to select this one and select the color, adjust for the size and hardness, and then opacity. So just sketches or doodles like this. Alright, if you don't like, you can select eraser. Right, and if you like, you can select check mark and you can add the animation to sketches. Just click check animation and select animation that you like. For example, select this one and just click check mark. So that's how you can add these sketches or doodles and CapCut apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.